What's going on there, sports car world? Car Attractions here, and we're ripping. It's Saturday, having a grand old time. We're going to go ahead and rip some more score. NFL football 2020 here. We are on the hunt for some Mahomes relics. So we're actually on the hunt for. There's 3 that I don't have out here. And I really kind of want them. So I am still ripping score. She pulled a really nice score auto. That was pretty nice. It was the first score auto I pulled out of 2020. It was Shaquille Griffin. That's always nice. Alright, guys. Got 2 bundles here. That's it. Now you guys are probably looking in the background there. Yeah, there's more score back there. Just don't know if I'm gonna rip them right now or not. Alright, guys. So, first pack off the box. Matt Prater. Bell Edmonds. There. Ooh, Travis Kelce. Keep that one. Yellow Mason Rudolph. Another Travis Kelce. Next level. Kind of interesting. 2 Kelce back. Got Love, Brown, and Peoples Jones for our rookies. JJ Watt. Alright. Tyrann Mathieu. Jamal Adams, next level yellow. No Grady, Dillon, and Gordon for our rookies. Hey, there's Lamar Jackson. Take that. Yeah, Davis, yellow border. Josh Allen, Christian McCaffrey, Hamler, Golden Grady, and Bowden Jr. So, other than some rookies, we got nothing really big yet. Nothing. Dalvin Cook, Cooper Kupp, Nick Foles, Just Tucker, Fortnite, Lawrence, McLaurin, yellow, Aaron Rodgers, next level. We got Marvin Jones Jr., Dive, Diggs, Claypool, and Delpit for our rookies. Well, dang. I know you think I'd be tired of opening score. Actually kind of am. I just want to get the 3 cards I need. Then I don't have to get them no more. Williams, Fitzgerald, Flowers, Mayfield, Larson, Waller, Freeman, Fitzpatrick, next level, Bond, Simmons, and Judy. Give me just a second, guys. Sorry about that, guys. Somebody's knocking at the door. Alright, so let's get. Oh, there goes the dog. Let's keep ripping here. Try to get through these blasters. Hey, there's a breeze. Take that. Carson, Johnson, Wilkins, Peters, Miller. It's a nice Sioux yellow border there. Khalil Mack in the zone. Breedlin, Akers, and Fromm for our rookies. Alright, guys. Alright, we got Samuel, Alexander, Johnson Jr., Anderson, Hines, Sammy Watkins there. Bobby Wagner next level. Was it Jimmy Garoppolo game face? Nice. We got Kelly, Dowdle. Hey, oh my God. We got a Burrow there. First, I don't know, few boxes and packs of these that I went through. I pulled a lot of Burrows, Tulas, and Lambs. So, I'll keep those. I think them are going to be the good ones one day. Deebo Samuel, like him. Miles Boykins. There's actually a lot of good players. Chris Jones. Hey, Lamar Jackson in the zone. Dalvin Cook, yellow border. Gross Matos, Patman, and Warner for rookies. Alright. We have not really got any. My best cards in this so far, I'm going to have to say, is Lamar Jackson and the Joe Burrow. Let's see. Andy Isabella, Adams, Edwards, Collins. Hey, there's an Z. Not bad. Jordan 3. Xavier McKinney, rookie, yellow border. Nice. Saquon Barkley in the zone. We got a Huntley, Lewis, and Johnson for her rookies. Excuse me. Alright. Lattimore. Hey, I got the same card auto. That's awesome. Shaquille Griffin, I should keep that. Juju. Only one card upside down. We got DJ Chalk Jr. Jamal Adams next level. Moss, Johnson, and Noah. I do not know how to say his name, so I just call him by his first name. Alright, guys. This is the one. Probably got to have something in it, I'm assuming. Last pack of the box here. Yep, so you got something in there. Alright, I need 3 cards. Let's see if I can get one in this box. Oh, Russell Wilson, keep that. Philip Lindsay, and it's a Tony Pollard. First score. Relic, nice. Not what I wanted, but Dalvin Cook. Deshaun Watson, nice in the zone. Hey, CeeDee Lamb. Take that. Moss and Stanley. So, not the greatest first not the greatest blaster. Did get a couple cards out of it. Tyler Lockett, Coy, Jimmy Garoppolo, keep that too. David Montgomery, DJ Chuck Jr. deep dive again. Jamal Adams next level again. They love putting these cards in here. They're filling up. We got Moss Johnson and Noah for rookies. This might be the pack or something in it, possibly. Phil Stick. Sometimes they trick me. You think I lived in Kansas, I'd get more Mahomes cards, but we'll see. Mike Evans, Davis, Tunzel, Patrick Chung, a good player. Demarcus Robinson, another good player. We got McCall Hardman Jr., first score. Nice card there. Not the one I'm looking for, but still a nice card. Zeke Elliott, game face. Got a Michael Thomas in the zone. Nice. Lutton, Dobbins, and Vaughn for our rookies. I ain't even got a Tua yet. It's alright. I got more later. Got 2 more boxes back there. Can't always get them all the wins in one box. That's why I'm still ripping score. Jordan, Cameron Jordan, Tevin Coleman, Christian McCaffrey, Nelson, Campbell, Martin. There's Joe Mixon, yellow border, nice. Got another Travis Kelce there, next level. Love, Brown, and Peoples-Jones Jr. All right. Hey, Todd Gurley there. Matt Ryan. Mosley, Fitzpatrick, Taylor, Johnson, Gallup. 3D cards here. AJ Brown, next level yellow. Nice. We got O'Grady, Dillon, and Gordon for our rookies. Alright. Hope you guys have been enjoying this content that I've been putting out for you guys. I keep trying to find stuff for you guys. So like, yeah, oh, Tommy Brady there. I'll keep that. Matthew Stafford. Ayuk, rookie, yellow border, nice. Josh Allen in the zone. Christian McCaffrey. I got tons of these. That was highly produced card. Hamler, Golden Grady, and Bowden Jr. But I put 132 cards in this box. Once you think you're going to get something for your money. Devin White, Aaron Rodgers, Chris Goodwin. Vernon Hearn, Sharp, Melvin Gordon, third. Yellow border, Aaron Rodgers, next level. We got Marvis Jones Jr., deep dive. We got Diggs, Claypool, and Del Pitt for our rookies. These are very interesting 2 boxes here. I'd say I grabbed the wrong 2 boxes on the shelf, but when I bought them, I think I bought all the boxes. the luck. That's what happens. Diggs, Michael Thomas, Fuller, McCourty, Jones, Mariota is good, Mac, Fitzpatrick, next level. 3D, there isn't even no in the zone in that pack. Bond, Simmons, and Judy for our rookies. Wow, there was a bunch of nothing in there. Kind of horrible. Alright, guys. No Drew Lock. Jimmy Graham, yellow border. Khalil Mack, got a lot of those too. We got Breland, Akers, and Fromm for our rookies. Alright guys, last 3 packs. Make sure if you guys got any comments, put them in the box, and if make sure you hit that like button as well. But start this off here is Jared Goff. Maybe. If I can. Johnson. Jim Hands, new. Robinson, fan. Bobby Wagner, next level. Jimmy Garoppolo, game face. We got Kelly, Dowdle, and Burrow. Second Burrow there. Alright guys, last 2 packs here. If you guys have went back and looked at the giveaway video, I'm actually going to give 5 graded cards away to my 500 subscribers. So make sure you guys drop a like on that video as well. And hit that subscribe button. It is free to subscribe to the channel and get free stuff. Who loves free stuff? I love free stuff. Ross III, Devin Singletary, Jones, Hawkinson, Cooper. Hey, Lamar Jackson, I'll take that. Joe Mixon, yellow border, game phase, Gross Matos, Patman, and Warner for our rookies. Alright, guys. Last pack of this video. 2020 score here. And we got Robinson. We got Davenport. Myles Garrett. Williams, Hopkins, Galladay. Jalen Hurts, rookie, nice. Saquon Barkley, and Huntley, Lewis, and Johnson. We didn't get no 2 out of that box. Sorry, I got a bunch of them ready anyway. Alright, guys, so there it is. We got to get some, to me, I got the Burrows here, duplicate Burrows, which I already got anyways. CeeDee Lamb, got a bunch of Lamar Jackson, Deshaun Watson, so they're nice too. They get 2 relics here. We got the Mecole Hardman Jr. and the Tony Pollard, so they're super nice cards. They're not what I was looking for. However, I got them, so I have to take them. But, yeah, guys, stay tuned, man. Make sure you hit that subscribe and hit that like button, guys. And go back there and watch that giveaway if you guys want to get those free 5 cards I'm giving away. They're up for grabs. There'll be more up for grabs in the future. This is just the start. Thanks, guys, for watching the channel. Stay tuned, and I'll keep ripping.